Hello everybody, today we're going to be drawing a funky cactus in a pot. So you are going to need a piece of paper, a cup of water, your paintbrush and your pencils in your kit. Here we go. First of all, let's start out by drawing the shapes of our cactus with little flowers coming off of it. Then we're going to draw the pot, a nice circle at the top. Let's bring it down, round, and a nice circle at the bottom. We're going to start with our greens. So let's take our green and we're going to draw little stars all over our cactus. The great thing about these are that you can do all the drawing first and then you go over with the paintbrush and it all comes to life. Then we're going to add a pop of colour. So let's start adding in our little cactus flowers. Now we're going to go in with our paintbrush. So take your paintbrush, make it nice and wet in the water, and we're going to start just brushing over all of our stars. Then we're going to do the same thing with our flowers. Let's add a tad of yellow. Then let's make our pot nice and colourful. So I'm going to use a purple, then we're going to use our paintbrush and re-go over our lines. Adding our black in now to give it some real shape. We're going to create a shadow so that our pot looks like it's on a surface. Just crisscrosses all down our cactus. Off we go. I'm going to make my main cactus add another layer onto the side of it so that we create more depth. And there you have it, your very own cactus painting.